Infinix has just launched its new Hot 40 Pro model Free Fire Edition. Replicating what happened with the Hot 30 series, Infinix has decided to ally with this popular game, although they have not yet revealed its price, but some of the features and of course the contents of the box, which will come with a case and many other Free Fire accessories, including even a fan to cool the device while playing. Also included is a 33-watt charger. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that the fan they give you also has RGB. The device has mid-range specs, so let me tell you about it because its screen is 6.78 inches with full HD plus resolution and 120 Hz in its refresh rate. It comes with 108 megapixel camera and then a 2 megapixel camera, which is useless. And the other camera that they only say is artificial intelligence, which is a nice way of saying is a useless camera. The front camera is 32 megapixels, so in the photographic section is fine, but the additional cameras are totally unnecessary. The processor is the MediaTek Helio G99, which is quite powerful and brings UFS storage 2.2 in versions of 128 or 256, and the RAM is the PDDR4X in a single 8 GB version. In addition, you can put a microSD of up to 1 terabyte of storage, so I think, despite being a mid-range device, it does give you good specs. The battery is 5000 milliamps with support for 33 watts charging. The price has not yet been announced, so it is expected that as it is introduced in other regions, they will launch the price adapted to different countries.